In this video, we listed the 15 tools you did not know about for cosplay on Amazon that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Product 1. Product name: Ring Concrete Saw. The Ring Concrete Saw is a high-powered 220V, 8800W concrete cutter saw designed for professional and heavy-duty applications, such as wall grooving, slotting, and cutting through materials like brick, granite, marble, and concrete. This brushless electric cutting machine ensures high efficiency and durability, making it ideal for construction, renovation, and masonry work. Key features: powerful 8800W motor, provides high-performance cutting for dense materials. Brushless electric design, enhances durability and reduces maintenance compared to brushed motors. Wall grooving and slotting, specially designed for making precise cuts in concrete, brick, and stone surfaces. Water-fed dust suppression, minimizes airborne dust for a cleaner and safer work environment. Versatile applications, suitable for construction professionals, contractors, and DIY users needing a reliable cutting solution. Product 2. Product name: Bionso 55PC's Oscillating Saw Blades. The Bionso 55PC's Oscillating Saw Blades is a professional-grade universal multi-tool blade set designed for versatility and durability. These titanium-coated blades are suitable for cutting wood, plastics, and metal, making them a great addition to any DIY or professional toolkit. The quick-release design ensures easy and fast blade changes, enhancing efficiency during projects. This set is compatible with major brands like DeWalt, Ryobi, Milwaukee, Rockwell, Fane, and Makita, which aligns well with your interest in power tools and accessories, including electric chainsaws and soldering irons. Given your preference for high-performance tools, these saw blades would be a useful addition to your workshop, offering precision and durability for woodworking, home repairs, and renovation tasks. Product 3. Product name: Black Plus Decker Dustbuster. The Black Plus Decker Dustbuster Advanced Clean Cordless Handheld Vacuum, CHV 1410L, aligns well with the user's interest in household tools and appliances, particularly for cleaning and maintenance. This compact home and car vacuum is designed for convenience, featuring a lightweight, cordless design that enhances portability. It includes a built-in crevice tool for reaching tight spaces, making it ideal for cleaning car interiors, furniture, and hard-to-reach corners in the home. Powered by a lithium-ion battery, the Dustbuster offers long-lasting suction power and fast recharge capability, making it efficient for quick cleanups. The cyclonic action helps keep the filter clean, maintaining strong suction, while the washable dirt bowl and filter ensure easy maintenance. Product 4. Product name: XL Kindling Cracker King Firewood Splitter. The XL Kindling Cracker King Firewood Splitter is a high-quality, manual log-splitting tool designed for efficiently splitting firewood into kindling. Built with durability in mind, this splitter features a solid cast iron construction, ensuring long-lasting performance with minimal maintenance. Its extra-large size allows for handling larger logs, making it a practical choice for users who need a reliable and safe alternative to traditional axes. This firewood splitter operates without the need for electricity or fuel, making it an environmentally friendly option. The splitting wedge design provides precise and effortless wood splitting, reducing the risk of injury compared to swinging an axe. Simply place a log inside the ring and strike it with a mallet or hammer for quick results. Product 5. Product name: Firewood Bundle. The Firewood Bundle is a comprehensive set of chainsaw accessories designed to assist with firewood cutting and measuring. It includes a firewood measuring tool, a log holder for cutting firewood, and essential logging tools and equipment to enhance efficiency and precision in wood processing. Key features: wheel markers, 14-inch, 16, and 18, these help measure and mark precise firewood lengths for uniform cuts. Extra trigger, ensures better control and accuracy when marking logs. Log holder, provides a stable base for safe and easy chainsaw operation. Product 6. Product name worx Nitro 20V SwitchDriver 2.0. The worx Nitro 20V SwitchDriver 2.0, WX177L, is a versatile 2-in-1 brushless cordless drill driver designed for enhanced efficiency and convenience. Featuring rotatable dual 1/4 chucks, this compact cordless drill allows users to quickly switch between drill bits or driver bits without needing to stop and change tools manually. Equipped with a digital torque setting, the SwitchDriver 2.0 offers precision control, making it ideal for a variety of tasks, from woodworking to household repairs. The brushless motor technology ensures longer runtime, increased power, and improved durability compared to traditional brushed motors. Additionally, this model includes a 20V battery and charger, providing cordless freedom and compatibility with other worx 20V power share tools. Product 7. Product name Goldblatt Panel Carrier. The Goldblatt Panel Carrier is a plywood lifting tool designed to help users carry drywall, plywood, synthetic cement board, and other sheet materials with ease. It features a sturdy clamping mechanism that securely grips panels up to 1 inch thick, reducing strain on the hands and back while transporting heavy materials. This tool is especially useful for woodworkers, construction workers, and DIY enthusiasts, making it easier to maneuver large sheets through narrow spaces or onto workbenches. Its ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, improving both efficiency and safety when lifting bulky panels. This lifting tool complements various woodworking and construction tools in your collection, making it a great addition for those working with wood, drywall, or similar materials. Product 8. Product name Mr. Rui Foam Paint Roller. The Mr. Rui Foam Paint Roller is a 4-inch mini paint roller kit designed for professional painting results. This 8-pack kit includes small foam paint roller covers, a roller frame, a tray, and a liner, making it a complete set for smooth and even paint application. The high-density foam rollers ensure a lint-free finish, making them ideal for fine detailing, trim work, furniture painting, and smooth surfaces like doors and cabinets. Given the user's interest in household tools, DIY projects, and precision equipment, this paint roller kit complements their collection by offering a high-quality painting solution for home improvement, woodworking, or creative projects. Its compact size and efficient design make it a great addition for those who appreciate professional-grade results in a DIY-friendly package. Product 9. Product name Milescraft 1219 Circle Guide Kit. The Milescraft 1219 Circle Guide Kit is a precision router circle cutting jig designed for creating perfectly rounded cuts in woodworking projects. This kit enables users to cut or route circles ranging from 1.5 inches up to 52 inches in diameter, making it ideal for a variety of applications, such as crafting tabletops, speaker cutouts, or decorative wooden pieces. Given the user's interest in woodworking tools, such as the Jorgensen No. 102 Mini Wood Planer and Blackcube Cordless Soldering Iron, the Milescraft 1219 Circle Guide Kit could be a valuable addition to their workshop. It offers precision cutting, an offset base for added stability, and compatibility with most routers, making it suitable for both DIY enthusiasts and professional woodworkers. This tool enhances efficiency when working on custom furniture, home improvement projects, or intricate designs, complementing the user's other woodworking and crafting tools. Product 10. Product name 4-in-1 Router Milling Groove Bracket. The 4-in-1 Router Milling Groove Bracket is a versatile woodworking tool designed for precision cutting and shaping. Constructed from durable aluminum alloy, this adjustable router jig serves multiple functions, making it an essential accessory for woodworking projects. It features a router circle cutting jig, a multifunctional cabinet hardware jig, and a router guide, allowing users to perform tasks such as groove milling, hole drilling, and circular cutting with high accuracy. This rose red tool is particularly useful for cabinet makers, carpenters, and DIY enthusiasts who need an efficient and adjustable guide for routing tasks. Its sturdy construction ensures stability, reducing errors and improving work efficiency. Given the user's interest in precision tools like the Jorgensen No. 102 Mini Wood Planer and the Frozen Sonic Saber Cutter for 3D prints, this 4-in-1 Router Milling Groove Bracket could be a valuable addition to their woodworking and crafting toolkit. Product 11. Product name Husqvarna for 50 Rancher Chainsaw. The Husqvarna 450 Rancher 20-inch gas chainsaw is a powerful and versatile tool designed for a variety of outdoor tasks, including tree pruning, yard cleanups, and firewood cutting. Featuring a robust 50.2 cc, 3.2 HP, 2-cycle X-torque engine, this chainsaw delivers exceptional performance and efficiency. The X-torque technology reduces fuel consumption and emissions, making it an environmentally friendly choice for homeowners and professionals alike. With its 20-inch bar, the Husqvarna 450 Rancher provides a balanced and agile cutting experience, allowing users to tackle larger trees and thicker branches with ease. The chainsaw is equipped with an easy-to-use air injection system that helps keep the air filter clean, extending the intervals between maintenance and ensuring consistent performance. Product 12. Product name: No-Cry Premium Safety Face Shield. The No-Cry Premium Safety Face Shield is designed for professionals and DIY enthusiasts who prioritize safety during grinding and cutting tasks. This face shield features a clear, anti-fog visor that provides a wide field of vision while effectively protecting the face from flying debris, sparks, and other hazards. The impact-resistant construction ensures durability, making it suitable for industrial use and compliant with ANSI Z87.1 standards. One of the standout features of this face shield is its adjustable headgear, which allows for a customized fit, enhancing comfort during extended use. Additionally, the included washable sweatbands help absorb moisture, keeping users comfortable and focused on their tasks. Overall, the No-Cry Premium Safety Face Shield combines functionality and comfort, making it an excellent choice for those seeking reliable protection while working on various projects. Product 13. Product name: Lexavon Torque Wrench. The Lexavon Torque Wrench, model LX 183, is a highly regarded tool designed for precision and reliability in various mechanical tasks. This half-an-inch drive-click torque wrench offers a torque range of 10 to 150 foot-pound, 13.6 to 203.5 Newton-meters, making it ideal for automotive repairs, machinery maintenance, and DIY projects. With its user-friendly click mechanism, the wrench provides audible and tactile feedback when the preset torque level is reached, ensuring accurate fastening without the risk of over-tightening. The durable construction of the Lexavon torque wrench features a high-contrast, easy-to-read scale, allowing for quick adjustments and precise settings. Product 14. Product name: Digital Torque Wrench Adapter Set. The Digital Torque Wrench Adapter Set is a versatile tool designed for precision in automotive and mechanical applications. This set includes a half-drive electric torque wrench and several torque adapters, 1/4 and 3/8, allowing users to achieve accurate torque settings ranging from 12.54 to 250.8 foot-pound, 17 to 340 Newton-meters. The digital display provides easy-to-read measurements, making it ideal for both professional mechanics and DIY enthusiasts. This tool is particularly beneficial for tasks involving cars and motorcycles, where proper torque is essential to ensure safety and performance. The snap-on feature adds convenience, allowing quick changes between different adapters based on the requirements of the job. Product 15. Product name: Orion Motor Tech Disc Brake Piston Caliper Compressor. The Orion Motor Tech Disc Brake Piston Caliper Compressor is a comprehensive tool set designed for efficiently resetting brake calipers during brake pad replacement. This 24-piece heavy-duty kit is tailored to fit a wide range of vehicles, including most American, European, and Japanese automobiles. Featuring durable construction, the kit includes a variety of adapters and tools necessary for compressing the brake caliper piston, making it easier to install new brake pads. The versatile design allows for smooth operation and ensures that the piston is evenly retracted, preventing potential damage to the caliper or brake system. With its user-friendly approach, the Orion Motor Tech Compressor is an essential addition to any DIY mechanic's toolbox or professional workshop. It simplifies the brake pad replacement process, enhances efficiency, and ensures a safer and more reliable braking system. Product 16. Product name: Tile Vibration Tool. The Tile Vibration Tool is an innovative solution designed for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike, facilitating efficient tile installation and removal. Operating at a maximum speed of 18,000 RPM, this tool offers exceptional vibration capabilities, making it ideal for leveling tiles and ensuring a secure bond with the substrate. Key features include a 145mm suction cup that securely grips tiles, preventing slippage during installation. The tool is equipped with a 12-level vibration adjustment, allowing users to customize the intensity based on the type of tile and adhesive used. An LCD display provides clear visibility of settings and battery life, enhancing user convenience. Powered by a 21V 2000 mAh battery, the tile vibration tool ensures extended usage without the hassle of cords, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor projects. Product 17. Product name DeWalt 20V MAX Cordless Drill. The DeWalt 20V MAX Cordless Drill and Impact Driver Combo Kit, DCK240C2, is a versatile power tool set designed for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. This kit includes a cordless drill and an impact driver, both powered by DeWalt's reliable 20V MAX lithium-ion battery system, ensuring long runtime and quick charging. Key features. Cordless convenience. The cordless design allows for mobility and ease of use, making it ideal for various applications without being tethered to a power outlet. Powerful performance. The drill features a 2-speed transmission, 0 to 450 and 1500 RPM, for optimal speed and torque control, while the impact driver delivers up to 1450 Nm of torque, making it effective for driving screws and fasteners into tough materials. Compact and lightweight. Both tools are designed for comfort and accessibility, with a lightweight construction that reduces user fatigue during extended use. Product 18. Product name DeCopro Drill Set. The DeCopro Drill Set is an extensive home tool kit designed with versatility and style in mind, particularly appealing to women who enjoy DIY projects and home improvement tasks. This set includes an 8V pink cordless drill, which is lightweight and easy to handle, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced users. With 126 pieces, the DeCopro Drill Set provides a comprehensive range of tools, ensuring that you have everything you need for various tasks around the house. This includes not only the drill and its accessories but also a selection of hand tools that can tackle a multitude of projects, from assembling furniture to home repairs.